right, so I want to go over how to actually add taxes um, to your invoices. So we're in the dashboard. Let's go to payments. All right, so we're in our payment section, and what we actually want to go over is go to settings. And then what you'll see here is on the left side, you'll see receipts, taxes, notifications, shipping and delivery, and shipping origin. All right, so your taxes section is what we're looking at. So for your taxes, right here in the middle, you'll see where it says include tax and prices. Define if product prices should be inclusive or exclusive of tax by default. So if you choose yes, the tax will be included in the purchase price, and the price shown to the customer will include the tax amount. So if we're choosing yes, okay, so now the tax configuration has been updated. If you choose no, then the tax won't be included in your purchase price. Now remember, these are defaults. So whatever you choose, that's how it's going to show up on your receipts as well too. We will actually go down here to automatically add the taxes with the correct information. So this says automatic taxes automatically calculates sales tax based on customer's address. Automatic taxes work only in the US. Configure tax rates above if your customers are located outside the US. So down here, we want to enable automatic sales tax. So we're going to toggle that on, and I'll let you know what this button that's right here means as well too. So this feature allows you to automatically calculate taxes during checkout. Select the default product tax category for the tax calculations and add nexus addresses for the state you want to collect taxes. Tax categories selected for the individual products will override these defaults. Okay, so we're here in the default tax category. When you click on this drop down, you'll see all of the tax categories that are here that are possible that you can add. So let's say we're going to do one. I'm just going to pick one. Let's see. Let's see if they have one for software. Okay, so let's do computer software, educational software. Okay, so there's a tax category for educational software. It'll automatically add that sales tax in there, so you don't have to manually figure out what that information is and try to add it into your invoices or to your products. All right, so your nexus address would be find your state. So let's say we're doing Rhode Island. And by checking the box, you agree to our terms of use. So you want to make sure that is checked. And then I want to briefly go over this area right here as well too. So this tax rate section would be used for if your customers are located outside of the US. And you will need to add that information in here as well too. So if you add tax, you just hit that button, name the tax that this will actually be associated with. So let's say this would be, we're just going to name it tax purposes at a rate of, let's say like 7%. And then your description is optional. What this tax actually means. You can put in for sale of educational software. And then you put your tax ID number here in the tax agency that is associated with you. So once you're done, let's say I'm going to put a tax ID in here. 1, 2, 3. I don't know how many numbers go at the end. I can't recall. However, that's what it would normally look like. And then you could add a tax agency let's see. I hear this one on the radio a lot, so. All right. So we're going to click add, and then that shows up there as well too. All right. So, and then once you're done, make sure that you hit save, and then that saves in there for you. So all this stuff should actually pop up automatically for you during the purchase process.